not much going on here with these 3-week-old puppies, at least not yet. Just give it a week or two. Actually, 2 or 3. They'll be crazy, I promise. Okay, we've got the long coat boy that's mostly white. He has a little bit of, you see the little color on his head? And that looks like, I don't see anything else. I don't know if there's more back there or not, but he's pretty white. Compare him to the other two. And you can see what I'm talking about. The other two are cream. One's a boy and one's a girl. And then we have a fawn one. And these guys are all short. So let's take a look at everybody. Look at that. Isn't he pretty? Is your mama Snowden and your daddy Scrumptious? Huh? Is that why you're so pretty? He says, yeah. Okay, that one. And this one is the girl. Oh, it's okay. It's all right. Cute thing. And then we have the boy right here. They all look flawless to me. And we have another boy. This one is spoken for. These 3 are not. So we're going to go ahead and put them on the scale. Since they're not doing much of anything else, might as well put them on the scale, right? All right, my weight chart. And let's see what we got. I'm going to start with you, Mr. Man. You are 13.9. So we'll go with 14. At 3 weeks, 14 is 5 pounds. Okay, and then we have the girl. I love their dark masks. This one is 14.5 at 3 weeks. That's about 5.25. And then we'll go with the long coat. Whoops, he's the smallest. He looks the same size, but he's got the fur. 13.1. And 3 weeks, that's a little bit over, so like 4.6. And then you. Look just like your daddy. 14.1, the same as the last one. So, which was, I forget, 14.1 was 5.1. Oh, that was the last one or not? 14. Anyhow, 5.1. I get confused when I weigh all these up, and then I can't remember what everybody weighed. I used to have the mind where I could have remembered 10 of them, but oh well. It is what it is. Next week, I will update again, and hopefully they'll be playing or howling or barking or doing something fun.